What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on WRX Chillin'. Today we're gonna be installing some side skirts and rear spats for the Subi. So I'm gonna just try to knock this out real quick. Just want to see how it looks. I just wanted to make a quick video just so you guys see where I'm at right now with the Subi. Still got a lot of things to do. Still waiting on the coilovers. Yeah, we'll see what's up. Let's snap this thing on and we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, so this is what I got right now. I love the fitment on it. It's really smooth. This one, I already got this one going. So I'm just gonna finish it up and then we're gonna be all set. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I finished when it got a little dark, so I wanted to show you when there's a little bit more light. So yeah, let me show you real quick. I just had one issue on that side. It was just like a little gap, no biggie, but I like how it came out. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Appreciate everybody watching today, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And a huge shout out to everybody already supporting the channel and liking my videos. It means a lot to me and it motivates me to get out there and work on my car more. So thank you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one on Chillin'.